Today we are going to solve numericals given on page number 129. First, in a cart, each of the two horses pull with a force of 1000 Newton. Find the resultant force. Give reason. Solution. As it is given that each horse applies a force of 1000 Newton, so magnitude of one force, that is F1, is equals to 1000 Newton, and magnitude of other force, that is F2, is equals to 1000 Newton. We have already studied that when two forces act on an object in the same direction, the resultant force is calculated by adding the forces. Since two horses applies force in the same direction, therefore resultant force is equals to F1 plus F2, that is equals to 1000 Newton plus 1000 Newton, that is equals to 2000 Newton. Second numerical. In a game of tug of war, three girls of team A pull the rope with the forces of 80 Newton, 100 Newton and 120 Newton. In the team B, three girls pull the rope with the forces of 85 Newton, 105 Newton and 125 Newton. What is the resultant force? Which team is the winner? Solution. All three girls of team A pull the rope in the same direction. So, force exerted by team A, that is F1, is equals to 80 Newton plus 100 Newton plus 120 Newton, that is equals to 300 Newton. Similarly, all three girls of team B pull the rope in the same direction. So, force exerted by team B, that is F2, is equals to 85 Newton plus 105 Newton plus 125 Newton, that is equals to 315 Newton. Also, in this game, two teams apply force in the opposite direction. Therefore, the resultant force will be the difference of the two forces. This means resultant force is equals to F2 minus F1, because F2 is greater than F1, that is equals to 315 Newton minus 300 Newton, that is equals to 15 Newton. Since team B apply greater force, so team B is the winner. Third numerical. A solid object weighs 250 Newton. When it is placed on a wooden plank, the area of contact is found to be 10 meters square. Find the pressure exerted by the solid object on the wooden plank. Solution. Children, first note down what is given in the question. As we have already studied, weight is equals to force, therefore force is equals to 250 Newton. Area is equals to 10 meters square. Since we have to find out pressure, so we will apply formula of pressure. Pressure is equals to force upon area, that is equals to 250 Newton upon 10 meters square, that is equals to 25 Newton per meter square or 25 Pascal.